Looking to start or scale your printing business in 2026? Flatbed UV printers are transforming how creators print on almost anything, from glass and metal to acrylic and wood. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best flatbed UV printers of 2026, based on performance, versatility, and value. Starting at number 5, we have the updated luxury custom UV DTF printer 6090 model. This machine is designed for creators focused on high-quality sticker and transfer production. It combines roll-to-roll UV DTF printing with flatbed capability, making it ideal for customizing products like bottles, packaging, and promotional items. While it's slightly more specialized, it's a solid entry point for anyone diving into the fast-growing custom sticker market. At number 4, the desktop 6090 UV printer all-in-one stands out for its versatility. From glass and metal to plastic and wood, this machine handles a wide range of materials with ease. Plus, it supports both flatbed UV printing and UV DTF functionality. It's a great choice for small workshops or startups that want flexibility without overcomplicating the setup. Coming in at number 3, this 6-color UV flatbed printer is all about print quality. With CMYK plus light cyan and light magenta, it delivers smoother gradients and more accurate color reproduction, perfect for photo printing and detailed artwork. If your focus is premium visual output, this machine offers a noticeable upgrade in finish. In second place, we have the multifunction A1 UV printer with built-in laminator. This all-in-one system doesn't just print, it completes the entire workflow, from flatbed printing to UV DTF sticker creation and lamination. It's designed for efficiency. For businesses looking to streamline operations and increase output, this is a powerful solution. Taking the number 1 spot, the A1 UV 6090 printer with triple XP600 printheads and rotary axis. This machine delivers top-tier performance with faster speeds, higher precision, and an expanded ink system, including CMYK, white, light cyan, light magenta, and varnish. It's built for serious production, whether you're printing on flat surfaces or cylindrical objects like bottles and tumblers. This is the ultimate choice for businesses aiming for premium results and maximum versatility. To recap, each printer on this list offers something unique. From budget-friendly versatility to high-end production power, the right choice depends on your business goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and explore more global deals with us. Which UV printer would you choose? Let us know in the comments below.